What's up? How you all people are doing? I really hope everything is good and alright. So I was not uploading videos since past 2 weeks on YouTube because I was busy in my brother's wedding. As you can see, मेहंदी भी अब तक नहीं गई है. So that's the reason I didn't get time to film a new video, and also little bit demotivated because you people don't subscribe to my channel. So please make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. And now coming to the video, so in this video I'll be sharing 10 best lipstick shades. So yeah, they all are very affordable, and also I'll apply one by one every lipstick shade so you can get a better idea. So if मैं इतना मेहनत कर रही हूँ, so आप भी subscribe कर दो और मेरे लिए थोड़ा मेहनत कर दो. So yeah, that's the thing I'll be showing you in this video, the best 10 lipstick shades. So if you are interested, make sure you watch this video till the end. And now let's begin. And also all the lipsticks are from different brand and suits every skin tone. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'll be starting with my favorite lipstick shade, that is from Miss Claire, and which is Miss Claire Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in the shade 14 Wine. So currently I am obsessed with this shade. Like, I'm seriously telling you, this is the best shade. My sister recently gifted this on my birthday, and I swear Miss Claire lipstick has one of the best quality. Also, this shade looks like burgundy color and suits on every skin tone from dark to light. Also, you can look at this shade. Oh damn, this is so amazing. Also, this shade just brightened my whole mood, and Miss Claire is the best brand to shop for lipstick, and this is my favorite shade from this range. So the next shade is from Calabar, that is Calabar Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Feeling Hot, and after applying this shade I feel so hot. Well, just joking. So this is a proper pink shade, and if you love to apply pink lipstick, girl, you should definitely go for this shade. You're gonna love it. And I think this is the perfect lip shade for brunch look. And just look at this shade, how classy this look. Also, Calabar has some amazing lip shade. You can definitely give it a try. The next lip shade is this from Revlon, that is Revlon Super Lustrous Matte Lipstick in the shade Look at Me. And whenever I apply this, everyone just look at me because I apply this on my cheeks as well, and I look like a tomato. Well, this is not the point. This is not a proper matte lipstick and stays for maximum 3 to 4 hours only, but I think this shade is so proper red, and obviously you can use this as a blusher just like me. Also, you can see this gives kind of glossy look. This is not a proper matte lipstick, but yeah, you can definitely try this one. The next shade is from My Glam Lit collection, that is this My Glam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Lust Stories. Whoa, what a name, so funky. And OMG, look at this shade, this looks so good. This is not smudge proof and also gives satin matte finish to your lips. This lip shade is so perfect for party look, and also this shade stays for maximum 4 to 5 hours on your lips. So yeah, you can definitely try this one. Jumping to the next lipstick shade, that is this Nykaa So Matte Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Crunch, and this is the proper nude shade lipstick because this shade is so good for no makeup look, because as you can see, this is not that visible on my lips, so I can use this on a daily basis. Like, if I want to look very basic, this is the perfect shade. And you all know Nykaa lipsticks are so good, like they are all-time favorite. And this is the proper matte lipstick, as its name says, So Matte Lipstick. Moving towards the next lip shade, so this is Brompt Matte 12H Lip Gloss in the shade Ruby Red LG07. And let me tell you, I received this in a PR, but I am fan of this shade. Like, I just can't get over this. Just look at this shade. I am crushing so hard on this. Also, this is super matte and stays for longer period of time. The best part about this is smudge proof, and this is so affordable. I would seriously recommend you to try this brand because I just love it so much. The next shade is again from Brompt, that is this Brompt Matte 12H Lip Gloss in the shade Deep Chestnut LG09. And again, I just can't stop appreciating this brand. This is in the brown shade, and look how perfect this looks and goes on every skin tone. and to be honest, their shades are so unique and light on your lips, like you don't feel you have applied anything on your lips. And I love this shade as well. Obviously I love all the shades, that's the reason I'm creating this video. Well, try this brand at least once. Moving to the next lip shade, that is this My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Ship. इसको मैंने इतना यूज़ किया है. Few months back this was the only lipstick I was using, like I was obsessed with this color and this was my favorite lipstick shade. This is the proper nude shade and also suits every skin tone, like every skin tones. So yeah, definitely go ahead and buy this. Best part about this, it's smudge proof and stays for longer period of time and feels very light on your lips. Coming to the second last shade, that is this from Sugar Cosmetic in the shade Smudge Me Not. So this is the mini lipstick from Sugar which comes in packs of 4. I love this shade from that, and this is smudge proof and I find this lip shade so unique. Just look at this girl. Also, you must have heard how amazing Sugar lipsticks are, so just go ahead and buy this lipstick cause this is super good. Coming to the last lip shade, that is this Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick in the shade PM15. This is not proper matte. I don't know why they write matte when that lipstick is little bit of glossy, but well, let's not go there. But look at this lovely pink shade. Don't you think this looks so perfect? The color bar pink one was proper matte, but this is bit glossy shade. Still I love this. This is the proper girly shade. Just look at it. And I think this looks damn cool. Well, I love this shade. If you also love pink shade, then definitely go for this one. So those were my 10 favorite lipstick shades and I really hope you also love this shades. And I'll link down all the lipstick shades in the description box, so if you want you can check there. And also make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section which was your favorite lipstick shade. Personally, I love that Brompt wala red lipstick shade, this one. So yeah, I personally love this. Right now I'm wearing that only. And let me know your favorite lipstick shade and share this video with your friends. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. I'll be seeing you next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.